So nice.
Morning, guys. Today, my friend Linda and I are going on an island tour with our friend Jay, and we're curious to see how it turns out. We rented a driver for the day, so
The local stuff, man.
we're gonna go do the local stuff, and he's gonna show us around the island. All right, Jay, what are we gonna do today?
I don't know. I'm the driver.
You're the tour guide.
No, I'm not a tour guide. That's the tour guide in front here. Frosty the Snowman.
Hey, what's up?
Frosty the Snowman.
Frosty the Snowman?
Yeah, that's a snowman.
This is the Caribbean here. But Alice in Wonderland will take you on another short tour to the Atlantic Ocean. So, please give them my love with a lovely kiss and tell them I send my love back to the United States. Alice love you, and I'm happy that you came to see me today. So God bless you.
Just one person.
There's a price to pay to get enough things we want.
We are at the Belmont Estates in Grenada, and this is a chocolate growing, spice growing farm. They produce like food and sustainable food and spices and like that are natural to Grenada.
Hello, Rainbow. What's your name? Rainbow, want a cracker?
Want a cracker?
Rainbow, what are you doing? All right.
Sad. This is sad.
Don't work for a Catholic church.
Just another day to be with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked.
Thanks to the wrap top is custom made. We got them in 𝗂𝗶𝗁. And
The most adorable shop.
the coolest place we got. You're welcome.
We're going to Seven Sisters Waterfall, and then we're going to go to Concord Waterfall.
Alright guys, we're in Grenada right now. We're at the Concord Waterfalls, and we're getting ready to hike into Concord, and there's a second waterfall, and then Fontainebleau's the third one, so we are right here at the start.
Food at the bottom.
And you can eat the stems too, right?
Well, you gotta cook it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I learned that
So
the
it's
hard
like
way.
you make nice culinary soup. You know.
They're white?
No choice.
And then you roast them?
Now that's how we do it.
How do they get dark in color from roasting?
Well, what you gotta do,
Yeah?
you remove the seeds and you put it in a box with the banana leaves. Every day you gotta keep
You
moving it.
ferment it,
Yeah.
right?
So every day you move it around, it be changing color. It will be getting brown and more brown, and you do it for 8 days. So after 8 days, you take it off, you put it in the sun
Yeah.
for another 8 days, then it dries. Then you will put it together in an oven, then you will patch it. Then you get the shells off.
Wow.
Then you add all the different spices together, grind it, and you make it into chocolate balls.
Wow.
Now, try it.
You can try it like this?
Don't bite it, just suck it.
Suck it?
Very sweet.
Whoa. It's like sour.
See, like this here now, it's ready for another plant. So when you cut it open like this, that's the pure chocolate. See? So that's the bean, that's what you will move.
You remove that.
Yeah, and this is the pure chocolate here. So that's what you use to make the chocolate, the Ovaltine, the 𝗪𝗲𝗏.
Nice.
So everything is natural. And if you don't use it, you take it and you put it here, you get another plant. Okay?
Nutmeg.
So that's it, natural.
Wow.
So now it's open now. The farmers got to wait for when it comes off. Then it drops on the ground. Then they take it out. Everything from the nutmeg is useful. Even this is useful. Now like this spot here, that's what we use to make the nutmeg syrup, the nutmeg jelly, the nutmeg jam from using this spot. Now this spot here is the much more expensive part of the nutmeg, which we call the mace. Now it looks red now because it's green. So when you get it dried, you don't put it in the sun. You don't dry it proper. You just put it in a cool spot where you get a little breeze, then it dries. Then it becomes yellow. Now it's green, you don't hear it shaking because it's green. When it dries, it shakes like an alarm. So you gotta crack it open, then you can get the nutmeg inside. Now like this spot here, you use it for making the nutmeg oil, the nutmeg spray. Your rum punch, eggnog, pancakes, ice cream, whatsoever, you make from this nutmeg.
Oh, geez.
That's it inside of here. You can taste a little of it. So
How do you taste it?
Is that what's used to make the spray? The spray
Yeah.
for the police?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, the mace.
Yeah, nutmeg spray, nutmeg everything.
Welcome to Concord Waterfalls. So we're at the second fall. It's about like an hour hike in, and we all just got to swim and cool off, and yeah, it was really amazing.
how we grocery shop. We pull the dinghy up, the flotation device, for those of you who don't know. It's like our car. Her name is the 𝗪𝗹𝗶𝗲, and we ride over to the closest grocery store, and luckily right behind me is the grocery store, so that's super convenient. Some places we have to walk like half a mile and then carry all of our groceries back to the dinghy dock. You know, it's just such a process. But anyway, this one's right here. It's so close. It's not the best one, but it's good. Like, you can find pretty much sort of everything you need. Yeah, anyway.
All right, we're sort of ending our time in Grenada. I think we have a few more weeks here. Myers has been like super in the engine room and the generator, Jennifer. And he's just been like painting and cleaning and making it look shiny and beautiful and new. I would say the biggest update since recording anything is that Mike and Carl left us. They moved back to Florida. They have pieced out of the cubby, and it's just Myers and I. So we're learning and navigating this new world of just the two of us. And it's had some really epic highs and a little bit of lows, but for the most part, I think we're really happy and content. Yeah, babe? Yeah, he's shaking his head. And then the other biggest thing is we've just been super slacking on recording this journey, regardless of like if these videos ever go to YouTube. I think it's just important that we kind of like log what we're going through so we can look back at this time and, I don't know, see how we felt about everything and reflect and have like a video log.